Okay, so question 4. So it's about graph reading. So Frank and Kieran each recorded how much mobile data they used each week for 5 weeks. The graph below shows the amount of data Frank used in each of these weeks. Okay, so they haven't actually provided Kieran's, so I'm guessing there will be a question on plotting Kieran's in a minute. So part A, in which week did Frank use the most data? So you can see here in week 1, obviously there's no week. So week 1, so you can see the peak here, data volume. So data volume is on the right hand side. So this is 2.5 gigabytes. So the answer here is week 3 was the week that he used the most. Okay, that figure there. So that's the first part. Second part is how many gigabytes of mobile data did he use in week 5? So you simply find week 5, go up to the intersection point here, and you can see it's 2 gigabytes that he used. So you just put 2 gigabytes in here. Next part, in which week did Frank use less mobile data than the week before? So obviously week 1 doesn't apply because there's no week before. So week 2 he used more than week 1. Week 3 he used more than week 2, but it's this one. So you can see that the plot has gone downward for week 4. So the answer is week 4. He used less than the week before. Okay, now in each of these weeks, Kieran used 2 gigabytes more than Frank used. So that means for each of the 5 weeks, if Frank used 1, Kieran used 3, and so on. Use this information to draw a graph and show Kieran's. So I won't draw the graph, I'll simply plot it on this one. So you're going to plot €2 more here, which would mean it's 1, 2, so that's 1 point. So this one is 2, so it means Kieran used 4. This one is 2.5, so he used 4.5. This one is 1.5, so he used 3.5. And this one is 2, so he used 4. So the plot is going to be like this for Kieran. Now you can do this more accurately than me, but that is what they want you to do. So that's Kieran's plot. Okay, so that's the answer.